first we find the monitor, and then the key for the machine and the PC, and the power cable, and the U disc, and the lens. Step 1. Monitor installation and the lens installation. Step 1. Install the monitor and the lens. And then step 2, we begin to install the lens. And before we install the lens, we must be sure that the lens is very clean. We connect the power cable. And turn on the power switch. First, the key of the machine. Release the emergency button and press start button, and open the PC and press the start button of the PC. And wait the PC to be ready. First, we double-click the HL icon on the desktop of the PC. We put a thin film metal on the machine, and you can see the guide pin. And we start adjust the focal length. And first we need to release the lock of the lift and rotate. Rotate the lift to up and down and find where is the location that fire the most strongest.